Over half of the global population lives in urban centres, and the percentage is projected to rise rapidly in the coming years. Managing the invisible dangers of indoor living are important. 1.6 million people die worldwide every year from conditions directly related to poor indoor air quality. And current data indicates that facilities are only utilised up to a staggering 40% average. Poor facility optimisation results in excessive waste of resources. Air quality is not that difficult to manage once a problem is identified. Massive wasted costs are easily avoided with responsible, smart, data-driven optimization. With the Ergosense solution, it is now possible and easy to accurately assess these factors, covering both the needs of the employer and employee. Measurement of facility conditions with our IoT sensor system provides data to employers on how the facility behaves, while Sensy, our mobile app, optimizes the interactions between an employee and their workplace. Both these platforms are linked and interact via our AWS cloud-based server and Data Solutions Hub. Admin users are nominated and provided with secure password-based login access. The Solutions Hub is where all the data is displayed. Systems configurations are managed and commands and notifications are sent to the edge devices and Sensy mobile app. Detailed reports and insights originate from the Solutions Hub. The data display is interactive and flexible, allowing users to easily analyze and make sense of the data. In this session, we will be diving deeper into the sensor-based facility management platform. With our sensors, you can create an accurate picture of the usage and behavior patterns within a facility. Our sensors are designed to be easily implemented and used. Plug-and-play format is our system's distinct advantage. With built-in, independent communication with our cloud-based server, no client-side connectivity integration is needed. Our sensors use closed Bluetooth mesh network interconnection to package shared data and send it to our AWS cloud. Our solution offers you measurement of environmental wellness metrics such as air quality, temperature, humidity, sound levels, light lux levels, human presence, occupancy, and utilization data. Let's take a look at the dock. The dock is the gateway device for streaming data to our cloud server. The dock collects all the data from the mesh network and sends it forward at configurable intervals. Docks collect human presence data from other devices and therefore only measures wellness parameters, CO2 levels, TVOC levels, temperature, humidity, sound levels, light lux levels. Docks only require a 5-volt power supply. After plug-in, docks will immediately start measuring and sending data to the cloud. No other setup needed on site. We have made it that simple for you. Pebbles are human presence detectors and human presence only. They will not respond to the movement of any other object, like chairs or vacuum cleaners. Pebbles have a 600mm diameter, 360-degree measurement field that is not interrupted by materials such as wood desktops and seating foam. This allows the detection capability to be much higher than traditional line-of-sight PIR motion detection devices. Should you wish to capture utilization data of an area that might be difficult, like a bench seating area, Pebbles can be fitted under an upholstered seat. Pebbles are internal battery powered, which only needs to be recharged after 12 to 18 months. Our Solution Hub monitors battery levels and notifies users when a recharge is needed. Pebbles are charged with a micro USB port, just like most commercial mobile devices. Pebbles require a dock to stream its data to our Solutions Hub. A standard ratio for deployment is 20 to 30 pebbles to one dock. Just to confirm, this data is shared over a closed Bluetooth mesh network that needs no client integration or connectivity. The Abacus measures meeting room utilization and occupancy and is installed over a room entranceway. It counts people entering and exiting a room. This data tells you how many people are in a room at any given time, with 95% accuracy. Abacus resets its count to 0 daily, preventing aggregated false counts. In addition to people counting, an Abacus can measure the same wellness factors as a dock: CO2 levels, TVOC levels, temperature, humidity, sound levels, light lux levels. Abacus has independent connectivity and is therefore not reliant on a dock as a Pebble would be. Abacus is powered with a 5-volt power supply, like the dock. AirLab. This device is your own on-site laboratory, which constantly monitors and measures your air quality. AirLab measures airborne, aerosolized particles that can be inhaled and gives you volumetric data per cubic meter. Air quality standards suggested by the World Health Organization is compared to your air quality measurements and will display in the Solutions Hub. AirLab measures CO2 levels, TVOC levels, temperature, humidity, formaldehyde, harmful particle sizes smaller than 10 microns, harmful particle sizes smaller than 2.5 microns. Researchers have identified typical particle size ranges as we show here. The particle sizes AirLab measures are the size you can inhale. Use AirLab to mitigate and warn you of any potential air quality health hazards. Once warning signs show, you can investigate various solutions, such as air filtration and better ventilation equipment. AirLab also has independent connectivity and is not reliant on a dock for sending its data to the cloud. Again, the Ergosense plug-and-play design format make it easy for you to use. Data generated and collected by both our sensors and Sensy mobile app is held and presented in our web-based Solutions Hub. The Solutions Hub has a few core functions. In this session, we will explore in detail the functions related to the sensor platform. Display of sensor data per building, floor, area and individual sensor point. Floor plan view of sensor installation and positions. Setup and allocation of sensors on a floor plan. Management of sensors and battery power indication. Heat map view of workplace utilization. It is important in the configuration stage to consider, as specific as possible, what the data is going to be used for. At each sensor data point, a user can add metadata, like unique IDs, business unit, type of workspace, i.e. collaborative, focus or shared, and any other tag the user desires. Data can be filtered and organized using these tags, helping you in analyzing your data. Data is often confidential, therefore data report downloads are not accessed directly from the Solutions Hub. We supply a standard report format, and should clients have a need for a customized report, this can be done at an additional charge. Our data can be obtained from our system via an API. This enables data integration with client-specific dashboards and building management systems. Action is required to optimize any facility, and only good data can trigger the right actions.